5 things your weak erection is telling you. That is what I am going to discuss with you people in today's video. So, what is a weak erection? A weak erection is when a manhood stand without being strong. It is a weak erection. Or when it stand within some minutes, it will never be strong. It is also a weak erection. So what are the things that your weak erection is telling you? What do you do about this? And if you experience any of this, what will be the solution? The solution is to avoid anything that will cause all this. So that is what I am going to discuss with you people in today's video. Make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end so that you will know what your weak erection is telling you and what you will do in order to get rid of it. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you want to know more about men, or in case you are new on this channel, consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So what are the things your weak erection is telling you? Number 1, you don't drink enough water. That is, you are dehydrated. Dehydration is lack of water, either in the body system or in anything that needs water. So if you don't drink enough water, it can make you not to have a good erection. And even if you have erection, it can lead to weak erection. So lack of good water can lead to erectile dysfunction, and it can also lead to weak erection. Number 2 is you are stressed. That is, stress can cause a weak erection. Stress can cause erectile dysfunction. So if you stress on daily basis, it can affect your manhood and it can also affect your body system. So all you need to do as a man is to avoid being stressful. Avoid being stressed in order to perform well as a man. So if you engage in stress, the next day or any other day, try to engage in enough sleep or enough rest for your body system to come back to its normal, or for your body system to revitalize, for you to perform well as a man. So stress is another cause of weak erection or another cause of erectile dysfunction, because it will disorganize your body system and it will make you not to perform well as a man. The energy that you need to perform well as a man will be taken out during your tedious job or your stressful activities. Or stress is another thing that will make you to experience erectile dysfunction. Number 3 is you have low testosterone. I hope you know what is testosterone. Testosterone is a hormone that men need to perform well as a man, because testosterone helps you to have a good erection. Testosterone will also help you to perform well as a man. That is, it will help you to have a good sex drive. It will help you to develop muscles, deeper voice, good hair growth. Testosterone works so many things in men. So low testosterone can lead to erectile dysfunction, and once you have erectile dysfunction, it also means that you have a weak erection. So testosterone needs to be in every man if you really want to perform well as a man. But on how you don't have a good testosterone, you will always experience erectile dysfunction. And that erectile dysfunction is also known as weak erection. So lack of testosterone can lead to weak Number 4 is infection. Infection is the main cause of weak erection. Infection is another cause of both your hormone to be low and your body system to be disorganized. Infection is very bad. What type of infection? It can be bacterial, it can be fungal diseases, or any kind of germs that will disrupt your immune system or disrupt your body system. So infection can make you to have a weak erection. So if you have a weak erection, it is a sign that it might be an infection that is causing it. So avoid things that will make you to be infected or anything that will disorganize your body system. That is what you will do in order to be the best man you want to be. Number 5 and the last is you drink too much alcohol. Like I have said in my previous videos, alcohol is another cause why your body system is not having a good blood flow and blood circulation. Alcohol is a very bad ingredient in the body. If you take alcohol consistently, it can block the flow of blood and fluid in your body system. And once all this happen, that is, once there is no proper flow of blood and fluid in your body system, you will experience erectile dysfunction. So taking alcohol is detrimental for every man. Taking alcohol can lead to diseases or heart problem, because once you take alcohol, sometimes you will be hibernated, sometimes you will experience constant heartbeats, and with this it can lead to infection or it can lead to some ailment that will disorganize your body system. Once you experience weak erection, it might be a sign that you take alcohol or the alcohol that you have taken is affecting your body system. Now, what are you going to do to avoid a weak erection? From all these signs, the best thing you will do in order to avoid weak erection is to avoid all this. You will be the best man you want to be. So that is it for today's video, and that is what I want to share in today's video. I hope you get value from watching this video, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do well to hit the like button, subscribe to be a member of this very channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. Thank you for stopping by. Like and share this video to your friends and families. If you have questions and comments, drop it in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching once again. See you in my next video. Bye.